boys, so we're back again with the season 2 of What's Better, and today we are going to be comparing the Samsung Galaxy Fit E and
the Xiaomi Mi Band 4. So let's not waste any time. Yvonne, why don't you go first?
Alright! So this is the Galaxy Fit E priced at 139 ringgit, and it has a PMOLED 0.74-inch display and monochrome colors. So right, the screen is only this big and I can double tap or lift my wrist to wake it up. Navigation is also through tapping, but it's a one-way thing, so I can't actually tap it to go back to the previous screen. The Galaxy Fit E has 6 watch faces and it shows my sleep data, my heart rate, steps taken, calories burned, but I can also remove any widgets that I don't use, like the weather. Also, it's a bit like a smartwatch because it gives you notification of incoming calls and messages. By the way guys, this is super light. It's only 15 grams, so it's like cotton candy on your wrist.
And I am testing out the Xiaomi Mi Band 4. This is priced at 149 ringgit and it is a 0.95-inch device, has an AMOLED screen. It's covered with a 2.5D tempered glass that comes with anti-gloss coating. And the best part is, it has full colors. That means I can change my colored watch faces. Let me show you my personal favorite. Kitty! 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 Plus, in terms of navigation, I can swipe up, I can swipe down, I can swipe side to side. That means when I swipe side to side from home, I get music playback. And I can also check my notifications from here. All you need is just one button to go back home.
The Galaxy Fit E will require you to download 2 apps if you are using an iPhone. If you are using an Android phone that is non-Samsung, you'll need to download these 2 apps and an extra plugin, which is also downloadable via Play Store. The first app is called Samsung Health, whereas the second app is called Galaxy Fit on App Store and Galaxy Wearable on the Play Store. The Galaxy Fit is like a settings app for your Galaxy Fit E, while the Samsung Health has all your health data. Here's the fascinating part. Samsung Health has crazy amount of activities that you can pick from. There's swimming, running, cycling, hiking, Arabic, badminton, ballet,
A few moments later,
windsurfing and yoga.
The Xiaomi Mi Band 4 only needs one app to connect to, and that is the Xiaomi Mi Fit app. And with this, you can track your sleep, your heart rate and your calories burned, or even steps. Plus, you can share your achievements with your friends on social media, so they know you're working out. Plus, you can set up your own step goals or even weight goals. So this is all the basic needs that you want in your fitness tracker.
So this is something that I'm slightly disappointed with the Galaxy Fit E. Even though Samsung say that it can last up to a week with its 70 mAh battery, the one I'm wearing only lasts me maximum 2 days and more. I don't know if it's because I'm always tapping on it to check on the time and my goals, so maybe it's more battery consuming. But yeah, the battery life is slightly disappointing.
The Mi Band 4 has a 135 mAh battery, which Xiaomi says can last you up to 20 days without charging, and it does. When it's dead though, you're going to need about 1 hour plus to charge it, but I usually charge it when it's 10%, so it takes about an hour. Okay, we're at the park, so obviously we're going to try out the fitness trackers. So we're going to see how accurate these tracking features are.
So the first thing we're gonna test out about these fitness trackers are the step counts. So I'm going to be giving my Galaxy Fit E to Victor, and he is going to walk 20 steps to test out the accuracy of the step count.
Okay, so after some testing, we took 20 steps and turns out the Galaxy Fit E was more accurate. But I mean, both watches were sort of fluctuating, I guess, but this time around the Galaxy Fit E won lah. Okay, second part of our testing is the heart rate tracking. Now we can't really accurately test it, we can't tell for sure if it's accurate, but we're gonna do one lap around the park just to show you how it works.
Mine is currently 98 beats per minute.
Mine is 84.
So let's go!
Alright, so after our lap, my results show that my heart rate is about 133. So yeah, it works. I also forgot to mention that the Xiaomi Mi Band 4 has 24-hour heart rate tracking, so that's a plus.
Yeah, so mine is 130, 31 when I came back. I don't know, I'm out of breath. So the last thing we're testing out is the sleep tracking accuracy. So we tested this out last night, so here's the footage.
Alright, so it's 11 PM, that means it's bedtime. I'm gonna test out the Xiaomi Mi Band 4's sleep tracker. I'm gonna see how accurate it is. So I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow morning. Bye-bye.
Hey guys, so now it's 12:15 AM and I am wearing the Samsung Galaxy Fit E. So I'm going to test out the sleep tracking accuracy. I'm about to go to bed and see you tomorrow.
Alright, so I'm awake. It's 6:30 in the morning. So I'm checking my Mi Fit app now. It says that I've been sleeping for 7 hours and 9 minutes, which is pretty accurate. It says that I fell asleep at 11:24. It says I woke up at 6:30, which is about right. And it also tells me, compared to my regular sleep schedule, how much better I slept today. So no complaints here. The Xiaomi Mi Band 4 does well at tracking your sleep.
Good morning people, so it is currently 8:40 and I woke up a few minutes ago. So I've been sleeping for like about 8 hours and more, and this is the Samsung Health app. It's written there that I've slept for 8 hours and 18 minutes with my sleep stages at this part. So yeah, the sleep tracking accuracy on the Galaxy Fit E is quite accurate. The Galaxy Fit E is a great fitness tracker that has all its basic features covered and definitely more suitable for those of you who like to track all the activities you've been doing, because it has more activities that you can manually pick from.
But for just 10 ringgit more, the Xiaomi Mi Band 4 does more. It has full color display, that means you have full color watch faces. It has a bigger battery, a brighter display. You can control music from here and you get more gestures.
So let me know what's your pick and let us know in the comment section down below why you think so.
Until next time, this is Victor and Yvonne signing off. Bye bye. No.
Bye!